Keen.
Welcome to Green and Keen. Let's try some subtraction quizzes today. Are you up for the challenge? Here we go. Stage 1. Question number 1. 14 minus 9 equals... The answer is 5. Question number 2. 19 minus 12 equals... The answer is 7. Question number 3. 18 minus 14 equals... The answer is 4. Question number 4. 19 minus 5 equals... The answer is 14. Question number 5. 18 minus 8 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 6. 21 minus 2 equals... The answer is 19. Question number 7. 26 minus 14 equals... The answer is 12. Question number 8. 18 minus 17 equals... The answer is 1. Question number 9. 24 minus 5 equals... The answer is 19. Question number 10. 17 minus 10 equals... The answer is 7. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 15 minus 5 minus 2 equals... The answer is 8. Bonus question number 2. 13 minus 4 minus 5 equals... The answer is 4. Bonus question number 3. 17 minus 8 minus 3 equals... The answer is 6. Wow, that was impressive. But don't get too comfortable. The next stage will be more challenging. Are you ready? Stage 2. Question number 1. 29 minus 9 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 2. 21 minus 17 equals... The answer is 4. Question number 3. 37 minus 16 equals... The answer is 21. Question number 4. 38 minus 18 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 5. 22 minus 15 equals... The answer is 7. Question number 6. 29 minus 14 equals? The answer is 15. Question number 7. 32 minus 18 equals? The answer is 14. Question number 8. 27 minus 10 equals? The answer is 17. Question number 9. 30 minus 15 equals? The answer is 15. Question number 10. 33 minus 14 equals? The answer is 19. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 40 minus 16 minus 5 equals? The answer is 19. Bonus question number 2. 33 minus 19 minus 4 equals? The answer is 10. Bonus question number 3. 22 minus 12 minus 2 equals? The answer is 8. Great job, Smart! But the fun doesn't stop here. Hold on tight, because the next stage is going to be a blast. Stage 3. Question number 1. 32 minus 21 equals? The answer is 11. Question number 2. 65 minus 55 equals? The answer is 10. Question number 3. 42 minus 20 equals? The answer is 22. Question number 4. 31 minus 21 equals? The answer is 10. Question number 5. 33 minus 27 equals? The answer is 6. Question number 6. 47 minus 21 equals? The answer is 26. Question number 7. 44 minus 22 equals? The answer is 22. Question number 8. 30 minus 24 equals? The answer is 6. Question number 9. 39 minus 22 equals? The answer is 17. Question number 10. 38 minus 24 equals? The answer is 14. Here comes the bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 48 minus 21 minus 5 equals. The answer is 22. Bonus question number 2. 59 minus 30 minus 12 equals. The answer is 17. Bonus question number 3. 69 minus 20 minus 20 equals. The answer is 29. You've shown incredible math skills today. Keep practicing and you'll continue to improve. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you on the next quiz. Bye-bye.